Hey guys, if you've been following cryptocurrency, then you know that Bitcoin and some of the other cryptocurrencies have seen great performance over the past week. Bitcoin has seen almost a 24% increase in this week alone, while XRP is doing much better than that at around 43%. In this video, we'll talk about why those things are happening, and we'll talk about one stock that you should look into in the stock market relating to this bull run of cryptocurrency performances. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Romel, and on this channel we talk about all things related to finance, investing, and building wealth. We discuss mindsets, strategies, techniques, and resources for you to implement in your journey to build wealth. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. We produce new videos every week. Alright guys, let's get to the topic of this video, cryptocurrency and its current performance. If you don't know what cryptocurrency is, Bitcoin is one of the first cryptocurrencies that was released. On Coinbase, the description for Bitcoin is the world's first cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is stored and exchanged securely on the internet through a digital ledger known as a blockchain. Bitcoins are divisible into smaller units known as satoshis. Over the past week, we've seen an increase in its performance, up almost 24%. At the beginning of the week, it was around $9,600, and now it's currently trading at almost $11,900. So that's been a big increase. This is important because a lot of people were looking for Bitcoin to break through the $10,000 price point and stay in that range. Now we can see that it's currently hovering right over that and in around $11,000. Now, why is that happening? Well, there's many theories out there, but one of the things that people are correlating to Bitcoin's current performance is that the US dollar is having its worst month in 10 years. As fiat currencies are seeing bad performance, and fiat being something that's controlled and centralized by a government such as the US dollar, cryptocurrency is seeing a great return on its performance. But to that point, it's not just cryptocurrencies that's seeing great performances. Other assets such as gold and silver are also seeing increases, and I think this is partly because this is a way for people to hedge their bet on the decline of the dollar. As the value of the dollar goes down, people are putting more money into things that they have more control over, such as gold and silver, and things that are decentralized, such as Bitcoin. Alright, so if you want to get started investing in gold, what are some of the stock market ETFs that you should be looking into? Well, the first one I'd like to bring to your attention is called the SPDR Gold Trust, ticker symbol GLD. Over the past month, this has seen an 11.32% increase in its value. If we go on Robinhood, it says the GLD tracks the gold spot price less expenses and liabilities using gold bars held in London vaults. The FINRA listed name for GLD is SPDR Gold Trust. So this is one ETF that you should look into. It's currently trading at $185. Alright, another one you should look into is ticker symbol CEF, Sprott Physical Gold and Silver Trust. Over the past month, this has also seen a great return at 17.71%. Sprott Physical Gold and Silver Trust operates as a closed-end investment fund investment trust. Its investment objective is to invest and hold substantially all assets in physical gold bullion and silver bullion. The company was founded on October 26, 2017, and is headquartered in Toronto, Canada. So those are two stocks you should look into if you're looking to put your money into a physical asset such as gold and silver. Other than that, you can buy any of the gold or silver physical pieces at any of the reputable websites such as apmex.com. If you actually go on their website now, they have a note here. It says, due to extreme order volumes, a temporary $299 order minimum is in effect. So as you can see, a lot of people are rushing to spend money into buying gold and silver due to the decline in the US dollar. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. That's only my opinion. Obviously, before you do any type of investing, you should do your own research. The second cryptocurrency I'd like to discuss is XRP, or Ripple. This is another crypto asset that has seen great gains. I currently have some money in this asset, and it has seen over the past week a 43% increase. Over the past month, it's seen a 67.27% increase. So as you can see, there's been some great performance in this crypto asset. I currently have my money invested in it through one of the apps or services called Coinbase. Coinbase is one of the most widely used, probably other than Binance, most widely used crypto exchanges to buy and sell crypto assets. While it does list all the crypto assets, they only allow you to trade a certain few of them. If you want to get invested in some of the smaller altcoins, then Coinbase isn't going to be the one for you. But if you want to get invested in some of the larger, more well-known cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, XRP, and Stellar Lumen, then this is one of the exchanges you'll want to look at. If you haven't yet, go check out one of my other videos where I show you how to buy cryptocurrency. I show you Coinbase and how easy it is to buy both Bitcoin and XRP. Alright, so if you want to invest in Ripple, then one of the things, like I mentioned, is to invest in it through one of the cryptocurrency exchanges such as Coinbase. However, based on one of the most recent articles published regarding Ripple, one of these companies that's listed on the stock market may also get affected. And that company is called MoneyGram. Ripple paid $15.1 million in XRP incentives to MoneyGram in Q2 of 2020. MoneyGram is currently trading at $3.56, ticker symbol MGI. Because they're partnering with Ripple and because they got this current influx of money, I think that they're going to see some big developments and big advances in their technology to help implement Ripple. Some performance facts about MoneyGram. Over the past week, it's up 19%. Over the past month, it's up 11.25%. And over the past 3 months, get this, it's up 143.84%. So that's almost 150% in 3 months. Alright guys, that's all I have for this video. As you can see, Bitcoin and Ripple are seeing some great improvements in their price. If you stuck around till the end of the video, thank you. I give you 2 stocks that you should look into to start looking into investing in gold and silver. And also regarding Ripple, other than investing in the physical cryptocurrency through things such as Coinbase or Binance, I gave you one other stock market pick, which is MoneyGram. And from the chart, you can see that it's been doing great. Let me know what you guys think. What's your price predictions on Bitcoin and Ripple? I know a lot of people are saying that there's going to be a bull rush and these cryptocurrencies are going to keep increasing in price. I think that towards the end of the year, it's not unlikely that Ripple may go to $4, but only time will tell. We'll really have to see. Let me know what you guys are investing in. Are there other cryptocurrencies you think I should look into? And what type of stocks are you investing in to ride the cryptocurrency wave upwards? Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you'd like to connect with me on other social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, I'll leave links in the description down below. Also, if you haven't yet, please smash the like button to let the YouTube algorithm know that you enjoy the content we produce. Alright guys, that's all I have for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.